Hello, welcome to Scrap Time. My name's Christine, and in this video I'm showing you how you can use your holiday stamps for cards throughout the year. Now, I talked a bit about this last year, but I wanted to actually do a video to show you a few cards I made. So I'm working with this stamp set here, Snarky Cat Christmas. And there's a couple stamps here that the cats don't have Christmas hats that you can use. Or this one here, it has a little hat, but that could even be a birthday hat, him sitting on the gift. So if you just colored it with pink or whatever, and this guy, he could just be wearing a little wintry hat. If you can even put a pattern in it or color it a bright color. But today I was working with these two stamps. And just by changing up the saying, I took a saying from the Snarky Cat set. And then changing, I still use that snow in the background, but just making it pink. It's now just sort of a wintry card versus a Christmas card. Here's another one. And then I have this guy here too. So I'm just going to do a little stamping, show you my process. So first, I like to add a little bit of texture to my landscape here. I've done a previous video showing you how to make these landscape tags that I can link to. And so for this video, again, I'm going to use the mini glitch stamp set. I always like all the textures on this stamp set. So put this stamp back. I think I'm going to use this one. And I'm just going to put some ink on it. I'm using Archival ink because it stamps well over acrylic paint. And I wanted sort of just that texture. I'm not looking to get the full image of the stamp. That's why I'm just sort of doing parts, and it just adds a little bit of black to it rather than just being plain. So that's all I do. You can use one stamp, you can use many, and it's just adding texture to it. So now I am going to take my little kitty here. I'm going to use this guy wrapped in a scarf. Make sure he's nice and inked up. And then stamp him around the middle with his feet in the painted area. And I just want to put some pressure, hoping that he all gets stamped down there. You could, of course, use a stamping block, like a stamp press type thing if you want. But there, he's nice and dark. That's great. And now I'm going to pick a little saying. This here is the original Snarky Cat set, and I'm going to use "In my defense, I was left unsupervised." Oops, it's upside down. It's always good if you stamp the proper way. So I'm going to stamp around here. Even though I have this black, it's a little lighter. If I stamp way down here, it's too far down. So I'm going to sort of stamp below him and hope for the best in terms of reading this. So you can still make out all the words even with that stamp background there. So what I like to do is, because I have this excess white, I sometimes like to tear it off. And so I'll use a hard-edged ruler. And if you have this mat, it's good too, because you can line it up. And then I can decide, like, okay, I want to follow this line. And then that's the way you can get it straighter. And I just tear up into the ruler. And I get that nice line. So then from here, You can just put it on your card with a bit of different collaging I did. I sprinkled some paint, splattered some paint on top of it. And then on these ones, I just used the picked raspberry stamp in the background. You don't even need a stamp if you have a card. You can do some collaging and just sort of ink this, and you'd probably be good as well. But it's just showing you how you can use your stamps you have, and don't just put them away because they're holiday. They might be good all year round. You just have to see creative ways that you can use these for birthday cards or thank you cards all year.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos on YouTube. In the meantime, here are a couple other videos you might be interested in watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.